This car has been sitting here for years, completely forgotten. Rust has taken over almost every panel. The tires are flat, sinking into the ground. Dust and grime cover every inch of glass. Inside, time clearly stopped a long time ago. Even the mirrors couldn't survive the neglect. The hood barely opens anymore. Nothing about this car says road ready. Most people would walk away from this. But I saw something worth saving. Getting it into the garage felt like step one. Moment of truth. Let's see the engine. Dirt, oil, and rust everywhere. The oil is old, but at least it's there. The battery didn't survive the years. Hoses are cracked and brittle. Nothing here looks promising, but nothing looks impossible either. These bolts haven't moved in a long time. Still, the engine looks complete. That gives me hope. First step, new battery. Simple tools, nothing fancy. Fresh oil always helps. Just a light clean for now. Every small step matters. Hands get dirty. That's part of it. This is real garage work. Let's see if the engine turns. That's a good sign. I'll take that win. Quiet moments like this matter. This is where the work really begins. Double checking everything. No shortcuts today. Time to get inside. This is it. Heart rate definitely going up. Key is in. Let's see what happens. It's cranking. Gauges are coming alive. Come on. I didn't expect that. Let's try again. Did you hear that? I can't believe it. That engine is trying to live again. This garage feels different now. That smile says everything. This badge has stories to tell. It's far from perfect, but it's no longer dead. This is just the beginning. Lights off for today. The car rests again, but not forgotten anymore. From rust to road. Years of rust, damage, and neglect. It's rough, but it's complete. And that's all I need to start. Welcome to IronBack Garage. This is not a professional shop. Just basic tools and real effort. And a goal to bring this car.
Ignition sequence start. We're showing some instability.
Wait, thrust is nominal. We are at main engine cutoff.